Hi guys, come to the third problem. We have another two equations in which x plus y divided by 2 is equal to 11 and xy is equal to 72. So these are two equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, and we have to find x and y value. As same as in our previous question, we have to find one variable. So from one equation x plus y divided by 2 is equal to 11, so we have to find one variable, for example value of x. So in divide 2 it comes to the second place, so it when it comes to the second place, so it is previously in divide, so when it comes to this place, so it should be multiply. Okay, and this is 22. 11 multiplied 2 equal to 22, x plus y, and so we suppose find x 22 and y to the second place, which should be sign changed, and so our answer is x is equal to 22 minus y. So put this value in our second equation. Our second equation is x y equal to 72. Okay, x y is equal to 72. So put this value 22 minus y, multiply y equal to 72. Now multiply these two values, 72y minus y square equal to 72, and all values should be come to the in one side. Okay, so y square minus 22y plus 72. So this is our final equation, and here we should find our a, b and c values for quadratic formula. Okay, our a should be 1, b should be minus 22, and c is 72. Put these values in quadratic formula. In this case we I'm not writing in quadratic formula, so I directly put these three values in quadratic formula. Okay, so we are using y variable, so y is equal to minus b, for example minus 22 plus minus under root minus 22 whole square minus 4ac. Value of a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 22. Okay, and divide is 2a, and value of a is 1. Okay, and minus is 22 plus minus under root 22 whole square, we know that is 4. And now 4 multiplies 72. What is 4 multiplies 72? 4 okay, this should be 484, and 4 multiplies 72 is about 288. Divide 2 multiply 1 is 22. 2. Now after subtracting these two values, our answer is 196, and 196 under root is approximately 14 complete square, so it should be 14 square. Okay, so I spelled these two values in plus case and minus case. So in plus case, positive case, we have to plus these two values, and now after adding these two values, it should be 33 by 22, and on the other hand our y is, and this is a mistake, 14. Okay, 14 plus it is 36, and it is 18 after cutting these two values. Y minus 14, after subtracting this value 2, 8 and then divide by 2, it should be 4. So we get two values, okay, in which one is y is 18 and second one is 4. X and two values by 1 by 2, and then on other hand it should be x1 which is 4 and x2 is 18 in after putting these values in our equation, and so it is our equation, and this is opposite to each other. Y1 is 18, so x1 is must be 4 because second side is 4, and if our one side is 4 and second side is 18, it is like a square. Okay, square, sorry, it is like a rectangle in which one is 18 and second is 4. Okay, so second side of this is 18 or must be 18, and this side is 4. So when we put these values, so it is our equation is okay, which is corresponding to 4 is corresponding to 18 and 18 is corresponding to 4. So how these two are working to each other. Now let's come to where these two values are used, and there is life time scenario and how these two values working. Okay, so concrete slab dimension. You are designing a rectangular concrete slabs. For example, this is a rectangular concrete, okay, concrete slab for a foundation pad, and you have the following design criteria. The average of two slide length must be 11 meter, which is x plus y divided by 2 is equal to 11, and the area of the slab must be 72 square meter, which is x y product is 72. So our one side result is 18, another side is 4. So our one side is 4 and other side is 18. So according to this dimension we cover our this equation. Okay, so that's why it come to this place, and how engineer and this kind of calculation common in design optimization, ensuring dimension meet area volume while balancing aesthetic and structural and practical constraints. Okay, in column footing, paving slabs, formworks and steel plates, similar dimensional or relationship are used. So that's why these are very commonly used in concrete. And in other side, for example, you are going to work on a special thing, so you are working according to this. Okay, so you have to know that it should be rectangular. Okay, it should not be in this type or it is square. So it should be rectangular where both sides are equal and the perimeter also should be equal. Okay, thank you very much.